Kid-Friendly TV.
Hey guys, it's Pete from Kid-Friendly TV, and I'm here with my son Blake, and we're playing with this Twister Trax 360. Watch this, Blake. Look at that car. What do you think of that, Blake? Is it going in a loop? Whoa, you gonna have a crash. Whoa, look at that car go. Blake, look at that one go. You see the lights on the cars? It's gonna hit your foot. Boom! Oh, you moved it just in time. Good job. Good job. What are they doing, Blake? That's crazy. You found a new trick. Uh-oh, there's gonna be a crash. Boom! Whoa, Blake, you found a really cool trick. You're gonna have a crash. Whoa, you just missed a crash, Blake. Now they're both stuck. You gonna put them on the track? You gonna get them on your shirt? You're so silly. Good job, Blake. What are you wearing around your neck, Blake? Let it go.
Rainbow.
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 Blake, look who's on the track. Who's on the track? Who's out there on the track, Blake? Did you put them on the track? That's SpongeBob and Patrick? Blake, put the car on the track. You see that car going in circles? Hey Blake, let's try something. Let's put SpongeBob on this car and see if SpongeBob can make it. Let's use some tape. Let's see if SpongeBob can make it around the track. What's SpongeBob doing? SpongeBob went in a circle. We had so much fun playing with this Twister Trax 360. It is so cool how it goes in the loop and goes so fast on the track. We hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching. And please make sure to subscribe to Kid-Friendly TV by clicking on subscribe down below so you don't miss out on our daily fun toy videos. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Hey guys, it's Whitney.
And Pete from Kid-Friendly TV. And today, can you believe it, we have Paw Patrol Zoomer Marshall. I am so excited. I have been looking forward to this all year since we first found out about it from the toy fair. And now here it is.
We have been so excited about this.